Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Real Racing 3 for iOS and Android. So this is a really fun game, but unfortunately they don't actually provide like good ways to earn money without grinding and paying. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Real Racing 3 mod. So this works on iOS and Android. You get unlimited money. So what you want to do is go to zoomods.com. This site has a ton of modded apps. Type in Real Racing 3 and there it is, Real Racing 3 mod. So press on it, guys, and now we begin our download. So basically, before you download it, there is one more step, and I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So before we can install the Real Racing 3 mod onto our phone, we are going to have to do a verification where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So they're 100% free, and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps. So this is a one-time process. It's based on your IP, so once they verify your IP, you'll never see this again, even if you delete the mod and re-download it. So we got 4 apps here, and the reason people generally do not do well during this process is they forget to read the instructions. They'll press tap to install, and it will take you to the app store. They'll download the app, and they won't read the instructions. So make sure you read them. Like, we got Dice Dreams. It says reach Kingdom level 6. Then they got Family Island. You got to reach level 10. WGT Golf reach level 10. But there are going to be different apps depending where you live. And I heard if you're on an Android phone, you're going to see different apps than iOS. So that's pretty interesting. So if you see different apps, do not get scared. So I did the Family Island one. But yeah, make sure you guys complete the instructions and you guys are going to be good to go. The Real Racing 3 mod will be installed straight into your device. It is super bizarre to me that this actually works. But I've been around the block and I haven't found many Real Racing 3 mods that actually work. But this one, guys, is legit. So I'm going to see you guys later. Peace out.